That's an issue. It's a rainy day today, guys, so I figured the only thing I can really do is go to the gym and gotta prep some meals. So let's go to the store and get some groceries and get started on it. It's freaking raining outside, man. Dang it. All right, let's get this stuff inside. Got my rice. I am now a member of the US Am Tour, and I have a tournament coming up November 6th in Dallas. So the rain's really not helping me prepare for this, but I am going to make sure that I'm eating right. Start waking up earlier, getting some gym time in, and right now I'm having chicken, rice, and broccoli. I'm cooking that. Probably need to start getting ready for the broccoli, but cooking these just to make sure I have meals ready to go. I have some Tupperware stuff, meal prep, whatever. But yeah, just make sure I eat the right dinner. Yeah, it's not gonna be every day. There's just the days that I don't know what's for dinner. I make this stuff. Yeah, I have a tournament coming up November 6th. It's an amateur event in Dallas at Iron Horse, I think. Never played there before, but I think it'll be fun. Just trying to get some tournament reps in for, I guess, next year. Next year's gonna be like my first full year of playing in tournaments, and you guys are gonna come along for the ride. Yeah, meal prepping, getting gym time in, that's gonna be the main thing I can do, at least this week. This week's supposed to rain all week, so as long as I can eat and try and gain weight, it's the main goal. Broccoli, chicken, rice. Now for lunch, there's gonna be a sandwich with, this is about to go bad. I've had it for a little bit, but it's just turkey. So I'm probably gonna load maybe half of it. Probably save the other half for tomorrow, but we'll see how much it is. Might load all of it onto there. And then I bought these today, some almonds. That, and then just a drink, and that's my lunch. But we're looking a little better. Might get some drinks or something down in there, but got that, got some silk. Look a little better.